Namaskaram friends. Today it's about 54th Divya Desam. Can you guess the Divya Desam name and the place where it is located? I've already said that I am talking about the Divya Desams in Kanchipuram. So it's in Kanchipuram, that's the clue. But it's not Ulagalanda Perumal temple because I've covered all the temples, all the shrines within Ulagalanda Perumal temple. To summarize, I was talking about 4 shrines within Ulagalanda Perumal temple. Uragatan, Neeragam, Tiruneeragam, Tirukaragam and Tirukarvanam. 4 temples, 4 shrines. So it's not about Ulagalanda Perumal temple. The other clue I want to give is it's inside the Shaivite temple, very similar to Yegambreshwara temple. We saw Perumal, one of the Divya Desams in Yegambreshwara's temple, no? Similar to Chidambaram. Likewise, we saw that also. So this other one inside the Shaivite temple is Kamakshi Amman temple. I hope few knows about it, but many of you may not know. Because I have been to this temple many times, but I never knew that there is a Divya Desam in it. I have seen Perumal and Mahalakshmi Tayar within the sanctum of Kamakshi Amman shrine, but I never knew it was a Divya Desams. So yes, the Divya Desam name is Tirukalvanur, and this is beautifully located within Kamakshi Amman sanctum. So whenever you are getting the darshan of Kamakshi Amman, we need to ask Gurukul and get the darshan of Lord Vishnu and Mahalakshmi too. Let's see the details. Why Perumal is giving darshan here. We know Lord Vishnu is a very affectionate brother for Kamakshi Amman. So one is that reason he gives good he gives good support to his sister as a brother in this temple. The other reason is he has come here to admire goddess Mahalakshmi. Let's see the details. The legends say that in the ocean of milk there was a argument or chat kind between goddess Mahalakshmi and Lord Narayana. Mahalakshmi Tayar was so proud of her beauty. We know how beautiful she is. She was so proud of the beauty and mocks at Lord Vishnu about his color and about her own beauty. So God Narayana tells her that it's not the outer beauty which matters, it's all about the internal mind and how good at their heart is what matters. Lord Vishnu explains, but still she was mocking at him. So Lord Vishnu wants to give a lesson to her, teach a lesson to goddess Mahalakshmi, and he makes her to take a birth in the Bhuloga. She took birth and then she realizes what mistake she have done, and then she realizes that the outer beauty is always temporary. All matters about the internal beauty of our heart and mind. So here she gives darshan, and the legends say that she looks more beautiful than ever. She looks more beautiful than how she was in the ocean of milk. But it's only that it's not God Narayana's intention is not to reduce her beauty and all. He has given double time the beauty, but he made her realize that it is temporary one, and we should not feel proud about our own outside beauty or internal beauty also. We should not feel so proud and get ego is the lesson. So here if you see Mahalakshmi Tayar, she gives darshan with 4 arms, and we are requested to offer kumkum at the shrine to Mahalakshmi with the belief that we are surrendering our ego and we are surrendering our proudness about our own beauty, and the belief that we get more beautiful than ever is the belief. So that's why we are offering that. If you didn't get a chance to get the darshan of Mahalakshmi after seeing Kamakshi Amman, please request Gurukul, or I think we need to get the special tickets to get the darshan. If we get the special tickets, we can get the darshan of Lord Vishnu and Mahalakshmi also. And so when you are offering kumkum, this is the meaning. And in the left side of the Gayatri Mandapam, we can get the darshan of Perumal, who gives darshan here as Kalva Perumal, because the place name is Thirukalvanur. No, Kalvan means thief. He admires Lord Mahalakshmi here like a thief without giving the notice to her. She doesn't know that her husband is admiring her. So that's why here he is compared to a thief. Lord Narayana is compared to a thief, and the name is Kalva Perumal, and the place name is Thirukalvanur. When you are visiting Kamakshi Ammal temple, do get all the three goddess and Lord Narayana's darshan here. Here the Thirukalvanur is a place name I said. Perumal's name is Adivaraha Perumal. Taya name is Anjarevalli Nachiyar. Vimanam name is Vamana Vimanam. Tirtham name is Nitya Pushkarni. Lord Narayana gives darshan by facing towards west in the standing posture in the Gayatri Mandapam. So I want to mention this. Being Ekadasi today, I want to mention about fasting also. We all know, I've already talked about the benefits of fasting in one of my previous videos. I want to reiterate it. Having fasting on these auspicious days like Ekadasi, Pradoshams and Chaturthis is very good for our health. I know it's not possible for the ladies who take care of the kids to remain fasting for the entire day, but at least one at a time. For one time a day, it's good, especially on these days. Having fasting on the normal days has benefits, but on these auspicious days, they say it's very good for health. So I just want to reiterate that. Let's meet tomorrow with 55th Divya Desams, friends.